Welcome aboard. In this video, I'll be discussing a significant development in the crypto world. This week, there's a crypto conference taking place, and it's quite important for the market. We might be seeing a bull season soon. Some indicators suggest that the bull season is approaching rapidly. Before the crypto conference, Bitcoin experienced a 5% increase. Additionally, Elon Musk changed his Twitter profile picture to one with laser eyes. This event has happened before, and it was followed by the 2021 bull season. We share crypto-related developments with you. On our channel, we cover airdrops, current projects, and potential opportunities. You can visit our playlist to start using the popular Telegram bots recently. Also, consider securing your wallets for airdrops from networks like Scroll, Base, and Linea. Crypto is a world where regrets and sorrows have no use. Only those who persist and fight win. Please do not consider what I've discussed as investment advice. Make your own decisions and choose wisely. See you in the next video.